Hi guys, so now we are at the paint shop getting some rust repair and yeah, let's go.
I'm standing on the edge of a cliff. Realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from heaven's send. With me tonight, I'm gonna run.
Guys, so as you can see, my car is full of wheels and tires. The plan is to go to the tire shop and see if he can swap out tires for me, because right now there are 225/40 on the front and 245/40 on the back, but I want to put I bought some 265/35s and I want to put them on the back and then put the 245, which I have now on the back, put them on the front, because maybe I haven't told you this, but I'm planning on using the wheels for the 5 Series, and I also bought some spacers online. These are 20 millimeter spacers, and because the E39 has 74.1 millimeter center bore, it's too big for the wheels, because E39 has a bigger center bore than most of all other BMWs. So these spacers change the center bore from 74.1 millimeter to 72.6 millimeter, like the 3 Series is, and these wheels are. So they are 20 millimeter all the way around, these spacers, and they should put the offset around the same offset as the original BMW M5 E39 wheels. So, and there's the wheels are the same width, so it should come out pretty good, but we'll see. I'm gonna try to swap out the tires now, but maybe I'll when the 5 Series is finished in rust repair, I might put them on one side and see how they look, and then I will go under the car when the weather is better, because it's pretty shitty right now. So yeah, so let's go to the tire swap. Tire shop, not the swap. Well, we're swapping the tires anyway, but yeah, let's go.
Forget the past, but what counts is our brand new start. Even if it hurts me or I get scared, just come take this risk now. We'll be prepared. I run away.
So I'm back from the tire shop, and damn, these wheels are so meaty now with those new tires. Look at this. Damn, son. So much meat. Can it handle it? Gotta love it. Looks so good. Can't wait to test it out on the car. Yeah, boy. And even better with the center caps on. So much good. That meat though. Yeah, boy. So we're back at the paint shop. He's been doing some more stuff. Can't wait to see it finished. Hopefully soon.
I run away, reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Keep your secrets there, keep them everywhere. Just you and I run away. I run away. spinning too. Saw me. Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me? Me too. Me too.
Now it's waiting for the collar to go on, and the door has to stay closed, so it's isolated, so we'll just wait outside and wait till he's done. If you need anything done, I'll link his connect to the description, and you can send him a message if you need something painted if you're in Iceland. So just hit Arnþór up and see what he can do for you. So this is a 330 XI 4-wheel drive. It's Arnþór's daily driver. I think it's Laguna Seca blue, recently painted.
I wanna see the light. See the